Riz et Pois Collés. Red beans and rice. A side dish from Haiti.
Serves 2.
You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the beans in 4 cups of water for 2 hours or until tender. Step 2. Drain the beans but keep the water to be used to cook the rice. Step 3. Fry the salt pork until crisp, then add the chopped onion, shallots and green pepper. Step 4. When the onion is tender, add the beans and season to taste. Step 5. Add the water used to cook the beans, bring to a boil, add the rice and cook for 20 minutes. Delicious. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.